Hey everybody, welcome back to video tutorial number 9 with the Kristen Leanne and Urban DeCay. So like in the last video, today I just want to do more of just the purple and a little bit of the Spitfire. So it's going to kind of be the same type of feel with Spitfire probably just right in the middle. And yeah, we'll just keep it simple with those two looks today. And I think from there, I have a few more videos I want to do, tutorials with this, but let me go ahead and prep my eyes and get this ready. And it is a cloudy, rainy day here in the Netherlands, so it's gonna be some good lighting. All right, be back. All right, so eyes are prepped, and I hope they look like sisters. It should be good. So, first things first, I'm debating if I want to do my brow bone first, or let me do my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with the 8-hour, what is it? Afterglow 8-hour powder highlighter in Fireball, which is more of that duochrome, with a fluffy brush. And just gonna go ahead and just start laying that down kind of as my brow bone first, because I kind of want that highlight effect to really blend into the cheekbone, just to have a nice consistent flow. Perfect. Let's go and do the other side. And I actually do have the Fireball in the eyeshadow formula as well. I mean the single eyeshadow, I have that as well. So, perfect, perfect. It's just a really like subtle duochrome effect. And of course I use natural lighting for my videos, so this is what it looks like in actual natural lighting. But without the ring light, has that soft pinkish rose duochrome effect. So now with the liner brush, I'm gonna go in with dye, that like deep blue purple, and just really begin to create that wing effect. So literally doing the same type of application from the last video with the blue, but this time just with the purple. Purple, perfect. And just really begin to build your wing. Does not have to be perfect because we are going to blend out in a second. So, just like that. And I love these type of blue undertone purples, especially with my brown eyes, because it brings out the brown. And then go back in with a fluffy brush and just begin to blend out right on top of that. The thing with this one is that it's really hard in the pen, but I like the fact that you could slowly build up the intensity with this purple. And it's a type of purple that is very flattering. And this actually reminds me of Purple Rain from Pat McGrath, which from the Le Vie and Rose palette. And this Fireball reminds me of the, oh, what is it called? Purple Rain with that first shade on the top left. Is what it reminds me of, that duochrome. Perfect. There we go. Oh, it's gonna be so subtle and so beautiful. And just build up the intensity to what you want. Perfect. So let me go and do the other side. And all right, so here we are. The sisters are in, and I think they are pretty much, nope. Not even close to being even. But I mean, it's just for the gram, basically. So let's blend it out, blend. And gonna go in more of a flatter brush back into the dye and try to really get it saturated and begin to just do right here, right in the corner. So I can really still. And just build it up. And I think with this look, I'm just gonna keep all of the drama on top and nothing on the bottom. There we go. And then going back in with the fluffy brush and just going to blend out the inner corner. Just like that. Oof. Never be afraid of purples. This will actually be really nice as just a just a wing liner, and just blend it out, smoke it. Just smoke it out as much as you can. Where's the purple? There we go. It's constantly about layering and blending. Layer and then blend. And going back in with that fireball, with that fluffy brush, and just, oh no, there's no mirror on that one. Just like that. What is it? Nectar Fire, Nectar, Pale Nectar, something like that, from the La Vie en Rose palette. All right. Now, gonna go in with the Spitfire, kind of like a ooh, and just right down the middle, or where that space is. Oh, don't you know? Oh, okay. Oh. Sorry if my lips look really greasy. I just now realized that. It's only because, what did I put on it? The lip injection by Too Faced, because it's been a while since I tried it. And just blend out the edges. Oh, and you know what? And for old time's sake, going in with a clean liner brush, going into the 13th floor, and just a dip, right onto the palette, just a dab on the corner. That's it. Just like that. That's it. Let me go do the other side and we'll be right. So, this is where we are at. Beautiful, beautiful. Love these colors. I mean, natural lighting. Don't mind the mess. But let me go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. Actually, maybe I should just tone it down to right there, maybe. So let me go and do the rest of my face and we will see the final look. I am actually really liking these colors together. I would have never guessed. I mean, Spitfire alone. See how it does that little, almost like a wet, oh, beautiful, beautiful color combination. Yeah, so let me go and do the rest of my face and we'll see the final look. I think I might always keep the lips a little bit more nude so the focus is more on the eyes. But I will be back in a moment for you guys, but for me, 30 minutes. All right, and here is the final look. Yeah. I mean, the dye mix with Spitfire with a little bit of the 13th floor is top notch. Highlighter is Fireball mix, blush is actually a combination of, let's see here, Fireball highlighter, which is kind of like a, yeah, you can barely see it. But the blush actually mixed Bang with Score. So these two are the ones that are mixed together for my blush, and actually put Fireball mixed in with it as well, because I don't know, I do think they complement all of each other in such a beautiful way. So yeah, that is what I have on for blush. So eyes are beautiful. Mascara, I did a little bit of the Dior Iconic Curl. I don't even know where I put it now. Is this it? No. That is my concealer. It's somewhere amongst the mess. But, I mean, in natural lighting, this is what this looks like. Of course, the blush is a lot more popping. But, I mean, this is, ooh, that is bright. That is really bright. And there we go. So, and lips are just a mixture of Stark Naked with some lip gloss and like a very old old lip saturation from Urban Decay, which I probably need to throw away. But tutorial number 9, I mean, ooh, it's just so beautiful. And for the final look, obviously, go to my Instagram page so you can see the final edited look of how this look finally looks like. I really didn't do anything with the bottom besides just bring the black just literally right there. And that is it. So, tutorial number 9, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep. And this palette, I am so happy I still have. So, I mean, I think I do want to do a little bit more tutorials, maybe 1 or 2 more. And I really want to get into some other palettes that I need to go through. So, tutorial number 9, 9 different looks that we've created with this palette. And there's definitely so many more that you could create. But I think maybe the next one, I just might do more of a smoky, 1 color focus, do more of a smoky look with it. Without further ado, I'll see you guys next video, and